Aside from the announcement from FutureLink, job openings ng Bingo Bonus, ito naman from our friends at SBMA Labor Department. They are gonna be having the job fair 2026 Public Employment Service Office of Olongapo City and SBMA Labor Department in partnership with Lyceum of Subic Bay and Ayala Malls Harbor Point presents Job Fair 2026 Moving On, where ambition meets opportunity. Yun yung theme, no? April 14, 2026, 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at the second floor of Harbor Point Ayala Malls near Handyman. Okay? Yung Handyman dun yun sa sa second floor. Yung parang handyman. Oo nga, yeah, okay. Yung sa parang sa ano yun sa kabilang dulo yata, no? Yung papunta sa ano? Yung may malapit sa dulo, kabilang area. Kung nakaharap ka sa Harbor Point, parang leftmost part 'yon. Nandoon yung handyman sa leftmost part sa second level. Ayan. So, yung mga naghahanap ng trabaho, apply na. Ay, naku, promise. Kapag nagpa-job fair tayo dyan, yung SBMA, Peso Olongapo, tsaka yung partner pa nila, Lyceum, and Ayala Malls Harbor Point, the venue. Pag yan nagpa-job fair, laging libo-libo no? Last time, di ba, naranasan ko mag-MC, mag-host. Ang mga job openings namin, grabe. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 job openings. Tapos nakakapag-apply, 400, 500, kulang na kulang, pare. Langko. Yan, punta kayo, ha? Okay. Ito naman, latest news, no? Kanina, lumindol sa Cebu. Ayan, according to the Cebu Provincial Government, it was a 5.1 magnitude earthquake na tumama sa northern Cebu, no? Ayan. Okay? According to Governor Pamela Baricuatro, okay? Nag-coordinate sila with the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office and the Provincial Engineering Office para i-assess yung mga damage na nangyari, baka may mga nag-crack na building. Yan, para sa safety ng publiko syempre. Yan. And according naman sa PBOLCS, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the earthquake happened at around 3:22 p.m. or exactly 3:22 p.m. Tapos yung epicenter niya 12 kilometers southeast of Bogo City, with a depth of 11 kilometers. Okay? Bogo City, tsaka yung lugar na kung tawagin ay Medellin, registered intensity 5. Yun, doon kasi yung epicenter sa lugar na yun. While Cebu City and Mandawi City felt intensity 3. Okay? Tapos posible pa raw ang mga aftershocks. Pero kanina to no? So baka, I don't know, let's follow up. Meron pang aftershocks na inaasahan kahit ngayong gabi na or wala na, no? Okay? Okay, and another invite for you coming from our friends at the Red Cross Olongapo City Chapter. Sabi ng Red Cross, give blood, save lives. Join the blood donation campaign of SM Foundation and SM Supermalls in partnership with the Philippine Red Cross. Ayan. This will be happening April 8, 2026. Okay? 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So malapit na, no? April 8 is on, ano ba ngayon? 6, no? 7 is Tuesday. 8, Wednesday. Ayan. This will be on Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Third level, SM City Olongapo, downtown. Ayan. Naku, kakadonate ko lang last Friday. Alam niyo yung Good Friday? Yun yung parang pinitensya ko. Well, every 3 months I donate blood. So, nataon, no? Good Friday nung nag-donate ako, no? Sa Philippine Red Cross din sa Olongapo Chapter. Pero ito nga, meron silang mass blood donation na gagawin. You are somebody's type. May ka-type ka. Wednesday, April 8, 2026, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Third level, SM City, Olongapo, downtown. Brought to you by Red Cross, Olongapo Chapter, and SM Foundation, SM Supermalls. All right? Speaking of SM Supermalls, you're also all invited kung may mga umaabot naman yung signal natin hanggang Bataan. Yan, yung signal ng Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. Yan, dahil sa Balanga, Bataan. Ayan, SM Bataan. Nandoon ang SM Bataan. Okay, they will be having their 3-day sale muna. Ayun muna unahin natin for SM City in Bataan. Okay? So the 3-day sale is gonna be happening up to 70% off on your favorite brands. Plus, for every 1,000 single receipt or accumulated, gives you the chance to win a brand new Suzuki Desire GLCVT hybrid car. Wow, so hurry up. April 17 to 19, mark your calendars at SM City, Bataan. Okay? Ang SM City Bataan, nasa Balanga yan, no? Okay?